In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Messenger video call while chatting. If you're not being able to chat while you're on a video call on Messenger, I'm going to show you a couple of fixes that you can try out. Now, the first reason might be that your picture-in-picture of your Messenger might be turned off. If that is turned off, you won't be able to use or chat with someone on Messenger while you're on a video call. So to fix that, open up your settings on your phone. Search for picture-in-picture. Tap on this option and search for the Messenger app and make sure that this is toggled on. Once you toggle this option on, try to see if this fixes the issue. If your issue is not fixed, then this might be happening because there is a glitch. So the way that you can fix glitches is just uninstall the app of Messenger from your phone. Uninstall the application, and once the app has been uninstalled, again re-download it and log into your account. This is a great way of clearing out glitches, and it is also going to give you the latest version of Messenger if there are any new updates available. So once you do these couple of steps, your problem of Messenger video call while chatting should be fixed. So I hope you guys found this video to be helpful. If you did, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.